Hello, Forex and crypto legends. Welcome to another day of Wavematic daily forecast, rather. And this is going to be a very sharp one, very short update on a market scan on what the markets are doing. Before we continue, let me know in the comment section if my sound and the video you are hearing me correctly and everything is all right. I'm also checking from my stream if everything is also. Let me know in the comment section if you can hear me correctly, and if you're also watching me live or replay, leave in the comment section hashtag live or hashtag replay for me to know those I'm joining with. We are streaming live on Facebook, my profile. We are also in streaming live on YouTube, Peter Pearl's channel, and at the same time, the Pearl Markets page and Forex and Crypto Legends Facebook group. So now let's dive straight into the markets and look at some few pairs. We'll be starting with the USD card. I think I've been sharing charts of this particular setup for some time, so I want to do a quick review of it and how we are going to trade it today and next week. So now, as we are starting, we can see that this is the weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame, and now in the weekly time frame, we are seeing okay, we are seeing these. I want to cross check if my sound is okay, if my sound is okay before even we continue. So but let me know if you are joining me live, and if the sound is okay, let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section if the sound is okay. The last stream that we had a problem with the sound, so I want to be extra sure. Okay, our sound is okay. Our sound is okay. So now starting on the USD card on the weekly time frame, this is what I'm looking at. I'm looking at a wave one, a wave two, and now a wave three is underway. We've had a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we've been tracking this particular flat for some time, a 335 flat, and now we saw this move up. So let's jump to the lower time frame and see how we are going to trade this week. So this is on the 4 hour time frame. So on the 4 hour time frame, I'm looking at a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for a wave one or A. Then I am looking at an ABC, for the completion of this wave two or B. And if you look at this ABC, I think I shared on our Telegram channel, and our Facebook groups in October 12 or so. Yeah, this is the setup I so this is the setup that I sent earlier. So I was looking at an ABC for we getting a lower more downside. Then we will be expecting a move higher to complete this wave four. So I'm looking at a 335 of a kind of an expanding flat, but with the wave C of the flat being an ending diagonal, it can change. But as it stands now, it's playing out perfectly as I did said. It's playing out perfectly as I did forecasted. So now we've seen the wave one, wave two, the wave three that I was anticipating a lower down move has completed, and now we are seeing the move up for this particular wave four. So now what we are going to do is, because it's an ending diagonal, it's going to be 3 3 as in the sub wave is going to be 333. So now we are expecting a three wave move for this particular sub wave. So now that this correction is on its move, wait for the correction to finish. Then we will look for one move upwards to complete this wave four. Once we get that move, we will start checking divergence to see what price is doing on the divergence side. If we got any divergence to show that the buyers are losing momentum, we will look for one more drop. Then after which we will start looking for upside to complete wave three or wave C of that particular setup. So in this particular week, if we are on the 1 hour time frame, let me quickly jump to the 1 hour time frame so that those who want to make entries today, they will get to know what to do. So on the 1 hour time frame, we've not gotten any confirmation for buy setup because price is still is still on a downward move, and I'm seeing it can come down a little before the buy setup. So once you get any move downwards, once you get any move downwards to for the wave to correction, for the wave to finish, what you can do is now you can join that correction with a trend line to know when it's going to break out. So the breakout will be like a confirmation for you to join the buy, but it's going to be a short-term buy, because we are looking at if we are looking at this ending diagonal scenario, then it has not finished. So we have to take a short-term buy, then after which we will close the trade and start looking for a sell setup. But assuming if price should break this 4-hour trend line here, if price should break this 4-hour trend line to the upside and start giving us correction, if price should break this one and start giving us a correction, then what it means is it's not an ending diagonal being in place. So it can be a WXY, for a 333 double three kind of a WXY. So once we break out of this trend line and get a correction, then price might want to resume. But as it stands now, once we stay below this trend line, we are going to look for a short-term buy setup. That will be our TP1 to take our profit, or you trade your stop, and after that you are going to look for, if you get any move down and a correction, you can join the sell setup also for a short-term trade. So that is what we are looking up today for USD CAD. Let's quickly look at one more pair. I think USD Swiss. I'm seeing some nice update also on that particular pair. On the USD Swiss, I shared this particular chart, and we've been discussing it for some time now. If we go to the Telegram, let me quickly search USD. So guys, if you are looking for any charts in either in our Facebook group or Telegram channel, you can do a search. But if you're also a member of the legendary trading room, that is our premium service, you will also get access to those charts, and I'll keep on updating them also there. So this was what we were looking at on October 8th. I posted this particular setup on October 8th, that once you see an ending diagonal, most of the time the drop is going to be short and sweet. So I really like trading ending diagonal. So once I saw this, I was looking for an ABC for price to come within this zone for us to get a downward move. And you don't need a lot of trades. All that you need are profitable and quality setups, and price just played out of going to this, by giving us this particular ABC, and now we are having this sharp move down, this sharp move down. So now what we are looking at, I want to show you how I do manage my trades. Now I'm looking for a move down. I'm looking for a move down of wave 3, but I'll still be tracking it this way. You can also join this side with a trend line, so that should, in case price should break out of this trend line upwards, it's telling you that this particular structure is complete. But as it stands now, we have our wave 1, a wave 2. This is another wave, sub wave 1 of the wave 3. So we are expecting when you get any correction to the upside, you can join the sell. Like I think on Tuesday, when I was doing the weekly Wavematic weekly forecast, I did mention that wait for the correction to finish and you can get a downward move. The same way, if you are not in the trade, if you're already in the trade with me when I posted it, you can still hold on. But if you are not in the trade yet, don't join now. Wait for a correction on the lower time frame, then you can now join the setup. You can now join the setup now. So now, if you are watching us from YouTube, do subscribe to our YouTube channel. It's Peter Pearl. And if you're also watching us from Facebook, let me know your thoughts of it. And if you have any other pairs that you want me to look at, leave a comment in the section and I'm going to address it. We are also going to have another even Wavematics weekly forecast. But before I end today, the founding member pricing that I gave for the Wavematics Forex Accelerator, which the live calls and mentorship we are starting on Monday 25th, the offer is going away on 24th of October. That is on Sunday. So if you really want to get in at that founding member price, you have from today to Sunday. And I really want to see you guys. I really want to see you guys in the inside. In the inside. So it's very simple. You go to permarkets.com/WFA, permarkets.com/WFA. Let me quickly put it on the screen for you to know the site that so you go to permarkets.com/WFA and you have all these amazing bonuses and courses. It's not just one course, it's going to be different courses, but because you are a founding member, if you get in at this price, your ticket is going to get you access to the Wavematics Forex Accelerator. It's also going to get access to the 30-day Forex Challenge, which we are also going to do it live. And at the same time too, you are going to get the legendary trading room. If you've not seen how our trading room is like, this is how our trading room looks like. We have a members area where you get access to your charts and everything, the course library and everything. And we also have our trade room, which is a custom made, more programmed and customized, not like a Telegram channel or anything, where you can have access to it. So even before we start, we have posted the first assignment there, which the members are submitting their assignments there. And so I'll be grateful to guide you in your journey of being a consistent, profitable trader. My name is Peter Per. If you are hearing me from the first time, then do have a stay, and may the markets be with you. Bye for now.